this? Yeah, hold on. Let me clean this shit off. Now it's clear. Yeah, go ahead and say that shit again. Ratchet ass. Oh, my bad. Yeah. Oh, fuck up. Yeah.
This is some bullshit.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna slam put you.
Hold on. Let me switch it.
Nah, fuck that shit. So you said, what about this room? Go ahead, speak.
I said the
Days
ice
in.
machine.
Don't fuck with the days in.
The ice machine
You gonna have
is
days
so
off, goddamn it,
out.
fucking with the days in. Your days gonna be out in this motherfucker. Hold on.
Oh my God.
Look at the bed this nigga sitting on. Just look at it. Where the sheets?
Ratchet.
Ain't no motherfucking sheets.
The sheets in the bed. Candy forgot to make the bed up when she left this morning.
We got double bags right here. We got double bags, y'all.
Candy forgot to make the bed up.
They ship
She
weed
tried to
like
get
this,
off early
motherfucker.
because
They
she wanted
ship
to get the
weed
liquor
like
store
this.
up. That's the dirty shit. No, it ain't. That's clean. You was trying to make it to the liquor store so she didn't have time to make the bed up. That's all too.
I remember my older brother, I ain't gonna say his name, used to bring bags like this in his trunk.
That's fucked up.
You might put your fingerprints on that bag.
That's fucked up,
I
you
told
jackass.
You
That's fucked up. You gonna bring.
They don't know who my older brother is.
Hey, look, I do.
I'm the only boy. They don't know who my older brother is. We all do in here. But